Hi everyone, my name's Tristan Hoffman. I'm the News and Investigations editor here at the Emerald, and today I'll be talking with you about the Daily Emerald Salary Guide created by Tarek Anthony. What the Salary Guide is it's a public record which is aimed to provide transparency with Oregon taxpayers and students who pay tuition on how UO is spending its money for professors and anyone who has a salary at UO. All right, so doing a deep dive into how you can navigate the UO salary guide, you'll first be looking at the home page where you can see the highest to lowest salary at UO, the highest being Dan Lanning at 7 million. You can also see other metrics through the search results here. Through the salary guide, you can look up in particular individuals at the University of Oregon to see how much they're being paid. You would unselect name, type in the name, and then reselect name, and they would pop up right here. You can also search through particular departments at UO. So let's say you'd like to see how much the College of Business is being paid by UO. So you'd click on them. And from there, you can see those same metrics, as well as the highest salary being the dean, which would be the maximum salary, and the lowest salary, which would be the minimum. There's 203 employees within the College of Business. You can always hit the reset search button to bring you back to the home page, and you can start a new search from there. You can also search job title through this guide. So if you want to know how much professors are being paid at UO, you would just type in professor, reselect job title, and from there you'd get the same metrics as all the other name, department, and job titles. And there you go. Hit reset search button, and you're back to the home page. We have listed some questions and answers that you might have about the salary guide, but ultimately we hope that this helps you navigate how much UO is paying all its different employees.